Present arm. Open arm.
I will talking about villain and heroes. Villain and heroes have the same backstory, what it is pain. But one thing made it different. The villain says, the world hurt me, I will hurt it back. But the hero says, the world hurt me, I will not get anybody hurt it back and hurt it by the world. The difference what the difference? The difference is the villain, the heroes using the pain to help someone, but heroes I use magic. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, did you know about Blaise Pascal, the mathematician?
Yeah, I've heard of him. What does he do?
He invented the mathematical calculator, the Pascaline, and it used unions and wells to add and subtract automatically.
That's cool. So it was like an old school calculator.
Yeah, exactly. It was a breakthrough back then, simplifying complex math tasks and paving the way for modern calculators and computers.
In 1900